Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue this, the true story of a sea turtle. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festival or Cosmoso, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchling rushing out of the sea. So, the institutions or government organized the sea, the turtle festival or Kasomoso. Mean that is the exhibition of the sea turtle. So that is an excellent experience to see the turtles for the tourist. You know, and it was a good opportunity for the tourists to witness the unique spectacle, unique scene, because it is a rare spectacle of the hatchling rushing out of the sea, and that is a beautiful experience to the tourist. At the same time, we were quite firm on the issue. The hatchling should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. And when the Kasomoso organized, the turtle festival organized, at that time tourists will come and they will harm, maybe they will harm to the hatchlings. So that is why these hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. So that should be taken, that the caution. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers, and so what is the caution is taken? That means when the tourist will come to see the festival, so they should stay at the villagers, at the local people, and so the accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent, and that is a beautiful concept. Means that is a beautiful concept to the tourist, means homestay. A turtle friends club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. All villagers would now offer the same rate for homestay. So a true turtle friends club was established in each village, and the members being all the villagers offering homestay, and all villagers would now offer the same rate for the homestay. So there is organized a turtle friends club, and so the all villagers will offer to the tourist, and they can stay at their home, and there will be the same rate for the accommodation. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the turtle protection fund, and the fund would be utilized for the purpose of the protection and conservation of turtles. And the villagers, when they will get the rent, or when they will get the rate from the tourist people, and then the 10% of their income they will return to the this Mohoso, Kaso Mohoso, or turtle festival, because it will be conservation for the sea turtles. But the protection and the conservation of the turtles. Modern technology also helped. The festival reached all concerns of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. People around the world began to contact the small villagers of Konkan. So, and from the internet, all the people around the world, they are visiting to the Konkan. If they are not able to come to the that festival or Kasamoso, so they were contacting through the internet. More and more villagers come forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. That is a beautiful season, and the means near about 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. So that is a Mohoso, at the Mohoso time. So most of the people were coming, and they were visiting to this to this turtle Mohoso, to this Kaso Mohoso. Now they realized that tourism can be a source of income, and tourists bring in money and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. So because if the turtle uh, turtle festival or Kaso Mahotsav were organized, and that is a beautiful that is a beautiful now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. That is a beautiful source of income, and tourists bring money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. So because the tourists were coming and they were spending money for homestay and for the all the for their accommodation, for their personal that purchasing, and so from that money, so the villagers were getting the money. They were they were getting the income, and they were also refunding them 10% of their income. So that is a beautiful concept behind it. This was a conservation of nature through the livelihood in its true sense. Villas became the project's main success story. So Villas that is a beautiful place, and it became the project's main success story. So means, and it was succeed that the projects the Kaso Mahotsav, because through the Kaso Mahotsav the people were getting the the employment, and also they were conserving and preserving the sea turtles. The hatchlings come out of the sea. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, our organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately, after excellent protection to the local species, if they are given the freedom to do it, that the conservation projects became the sustainable. So Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, our organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. So the local species, the special species are the turtles. So that means who can protect? Only the villagers, only the local people of that area. They can conserve and preserve the special species of the sea turtle. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects became sustainable. And with this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers and their turtle friends club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So that means it is come to know that it is a succeed of the project. It is a succeed of that the Kaso Mahotsav, and so it is given the responsibility to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers and their turtle friends clubs. So all of them are handling it wonderfully, beautifully, and now they are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So it is a beautiful project, because through these projects means the turtles are conserving and preserving by the local people, by the villagers, and the homestay. It was a beautiful concept, and through this concept, the people were getting the money in income, and they are also refunding the 10% of their income for conservation and preservation of the sea turtle. So it is a rare chance. It is a rare chance to the tourists to come and to see the turtle festival. So in this way we have finished this 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. So you may get a chance to go to Konkan, and then in this particular season, so you may have also chance to see the Kaso Mahotsav. So in this way we have finished this lesson 2.2. Thank you, and read it at home once or twice. Thank you.